Hi, my name's Victoria and I got my eyebrows microbladed back in 2016. The result was definitely not something that I wanted, and it definitely got worse over time. I was always quite worried about trying to get them removed because obviously it's my face and it's my eyebrows, but I decided to take the plunge and do some research into microblading removal. I searched in Google, and Bianco was one of the first places that came up. I clicked on it straight away with no hesitations and was blown away with their website and all the information that was on there. So I thought, let's book an appointment. I booked an appointment within days and I was seen to, and I am so happy with the results of my eyebrows. I never thought that they would be back to how they were. I thought I was going to be living with permanent damage to my eyebrows. I've been absolutely blown away with the results of my eyebrows. They are basically gone, which is again something I never actually thought would happen. We've had 7 sessions and they look amazing. I cannot thank Bianco Beauty enough. They are amazing. I cannot fault their service. I cannot fault anything that they've done. They are amazing. So I owe them everything. Thank you for giving back my confidence. I love you guys.